Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bong Food PREYOSHI. Today we are going to prepare a curry recipe. Here I have taken for boiled eggs, ginger, garlic, potato, chopped onions, bay leaves, green chilies, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Now make a smooth paste of ginger and garlic. Add mustard oil, one-fourth teaspoon turmeric powder and salt. Now add boiled eggs and fry it lightly. In a similar way, we have to fry potatoes. It's done. Now add bay leaves, 2 medium-sized chopped onions, one-fourth teaspoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, red chili powder according to your taste. $25 grams of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 cup of water. Add more water. Cover it for 5 minutes. Now add fried potatoes. Cover it for 5 minutes again. Add salt according to your taste. To boil the potatoes, add more water. It's time to add fry eggs. Add water according to your type of gravy you require. Add green chilies, Last, add half teaspoon garam masala powder. Now it's ready to serve.